beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Wake Up Bright, where I share all of the things that help me live each day a little brighter. I'm Lauren, on a journey to lose 200 pounds. I've lost 70, so 130 more to go. And I'm excited for Vlogmas day 2. Happy Vlogmas day 2. I decided to start today with some yoga. So I'm here in the yoga studio. Boom. Boom. And it's been good. It was a really good practice.
You're Dippy. Dippy found a ball. Yeah, do we need to turn the tree on? Yeah? You wanna go outside first? Okay. Let's go outside. All right. You don't gotta go potty. You don't gotta go potty either. Time to turn the tree on.
Today's vlog is centered around taking the presents that you all sent for the kiddos for the wish tree to the gym. So I've got to get it ready, prepped, and take it there.
I've got these gift bags. They're quite large. However, the amount of gifts to put in these bags, I don't think it's gonna fit. So I have a few ideas. We'll see how this goes down, but I want to take an entire video essentially to thank you. Thank you all so much for sponsoring these kiddos for Christmas. It's an amazing community that we have here. So grateful for all of you. I'm so grateful that so many of you asked me to do things like this, encouraged me to do things like this. It's amazing what our community can do when we come together. I do want to encourage you, if you were unable to participate here, look for wish trees or toy drives in your local community. It makes a huge difference. I can't believe that these 3 kids are gonna have every item on their list, and it makes me so happy. It makes me so happy that I could be a small part of the blessing that they will get this holiday season, a very small part, and that you guys can be a huge part of the blessings that they'll get this Christmas. And yeah, I am gonna sort it out and then take it to the gym, and then I gotta work out. So let's do all of the things. So I don't know what point the video cut off, but this is where I am at so far with my piles. Yeah, so I'm just moving them towards the tree. Here are the toys all sorted. So little dude with his diapers and his toys, he got a lot of clothes. little bit of toys. Then her sweet pile. She's got this camera too that's very cool. So she's got these building bears and then this camera that's super cool. And then he has his big thing. I guess everybody had kind of a big thing. The little one's big thing was the guardrails and the diapers. So he kind of had two. But this big fort, so cool. Love it. Merry Christmas. Gotta go to the gym. Gotta go right now. And take these sweet presents. I just need to load them up. And I need to finish decorating. At least the tree, you know? At least the tree needs to be decorated. All right, and all of her stuff fit perfectly in this big bag, so that's awesome. Now, the one that I know all that stuff's not gonna fit in that bag. So I'm thinking I'm gonna grab a box out of the garage. And I have 30 minutes. I have 30 minutes before class. So, and I don't want to bring all of this stuff in when people are there. So, I'll work it out. Okay, and baby boy has got his diapers. He's got his safety rails. And then clothes, some toys, and lots of clothes. Socks, jeans, jacket, fleece. He is hooked up for this winter, and I'm so grateful for you guys for sending all of this stuff. We are all loaded up and ready to go. Okay, I think I've said I've loaded up like 10 times. I have 8 minutes to get to the gym. I've got the cash for the donation part in my pocket. And then I've got the 3 kids' stuff in the back. The helmet, did I get the helmet? Dadgummit, I gotta go back inside. Fudge, I'm gonna be late. I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas Day 2. I am enjoying sharing it with you, and I hope that you're liking the Fitmas aspect of me including my meals and including my workouts. Comment down below and let me know what you think about seeing the blended portion. I also thought about just making like a Fitmas section at the very end of a video and just being like, boom, and making it a little bit more abbreviated. But I also like sharing it like this. I hate upper body. I hate working out my upper body. I love working out. My upper body, I can't hold myself. I'm weak and it sucks. I love full body exercises. I love lower body exercises. My upper body, it's frustrating to me. It's frustrating to have to modify everything so much, and it's okay. I'm doing it. I'm doing the dang thing, and I am grateful to be able to do it. So I am actually sharing one of my big 2022 goals tomorrow in tomorrow's Vlogmas video, and I am so excited to share more about it, more about what I've been doing and why, and it feels like such a weight lifted. I wanted to save it. I wanted to save it for myself, and I wanted to save it for a few other reasons, but I'm just excited. Tomorrow's the day. One of my secrets I'm sharing. So I'm excited about that. Oh, one other thing I wanted to share. My little sister is thinking about doing some fitness content on her channel. So go to Emily Ray and check her out and give her some love and encouragement. I don't have long to chat, but I wanted to say while I was working out, the owner of the gym was talking to me, and
she said that a couple other people that work out there and they saw my weighted vest video and they're gonna do it with me. She's like, we would do that. Let me know when. She's like, I didn't even know you wanted to do anything like that. I would do that. And that like, I seriously thought I was gonna start crying while she was talking to me. So we're gonna talk some more about it tomorrow. So I'll let y'all know. But I am so excited, so happy, and I love this little community that I get to be a part of. It makes me so happy. Anyway, and I love our community that we've built here as well. Thank you all for your comments. I had my first Vlogmas video went live right before I went to the gym, and y'all's comments are so amazing. I'm so lucky and blessed to be able to call y'all my friends and to share my journey with you, and sending y'all lots of love. I will see y'all after I wrap things up here. I feel like this is the most creative, way to decorate a tree. All right, I'm all done. They have the most creative Christmas tree decor idea for any business that I've ever seen. So they just have it, the lost and found items. It's so funny. Anyway, my husband made us dinner. I cannot wait to go home and see what it is. So, nearing the end of the vlog, but I'm excited to share dinner with you.
So I just made a quick salad to have with my meal. It's a pretty high calorie salad, but I have quite a few calories left for the day. Not salad, meal, but I have a lot of calories left for the day. So I'm super excited to eat.
Can you call me that again? Call me that again.
You gonna put me on blast?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I liked it. I feel like it needs to be my new merch.
Oh. What I was saying is a lot of people don't realize that you have a lot more muscle than it looks like. Mm-hmm. Like, yes, you have a lot of excess body weight, and yeah, it's there. There's no hiding it. It's gonna be there until it's not. Mm-hmm. But you're a lot stronger than what people realize, and I called you a muscle hamster. A little muscle hamster.
You said another word. It starts with an F. You said you are a little beeping muscle hamster.
Oh, I cussed?
Yeah, and you said it so nonchalantly, and I was like, dang, I need that on a shirt.
Oh, I mean, you just always want me to be G-rated, so. But yeah, a little muscle hamster.
Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.